everyone. Today I'll be making some crispy sweet and sour cauliflower. For that, I'm just chopping the cauliflower into smaller pieces. In a separate bowl, add some flour, cornstarch, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. You can substitute it with any other spices you have, and some ground black pepper as well. Mix everything well till it's combined. Add some water slowly into the mixture and make a smooth batter. On the side, I have steamed the cauliflower in the microwave for 5 to 7 minutes with some turmeric powder. This just helps to tenderize the cauliflower so that it's soft on the inside and crispy on the outside when we are frying it. So I'm evenly coating the cauliflower in the batter and frying it in a medium to high heat. It takes a couple of minutes on each side. It should be golden and crispy. When it's done, just set it aside. In a smaller bowl, add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, paprika, ground pepper, some vinegar and chili paste. Then mix everything well till combined. To thicken up the sauce, I'm just adding some cornstarch to this mixture and a little bit of water. Make sure everything is well combined. In the same pan, remove the excess oil and add some minced garlic. To flavor the oil and saute. Then add some onions, green chili. You can also add some bell pepper. Saute it for a couple of minutes on high heat. Then add the cornstarch and sauce slurry. After about a minute or so, the sauce boils. Add the fried cauliflower florets back. Make sure to coat everything evenly. Optionally, you can add some freshly squeezed lime to get a bit of kick to the dish. In the end, garnish it with some sesame seeds. There you are. A crispy, spicy, sweet and sour cauliflower is ready. This this dish is so crispy and sweet and sour as well, and it pairs really well with rice or any other flatbreads. I do hope you try it out. If you did, do let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.